Good evening to the participants of the Telangana state as well as Andhra Pradesh for the Junior Civil Judge examination for 2023, and today topic is Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children's Act. And without wasting the time, let me go and shoot the yes. Now be ready for the first question. First question goes in this manner. According to this act, children have divided into two categories, namely, which option is the correct option among the four options? 1. Children in the conflict with the law. 2. Children in law with conflict. 3. Children in need of protection and care. 4. Children in need of care and protection. Options: A. 1 plus 2, B. 1 plus 3, C. 2 plus 4, D. 1 plus 4.
D 1 plus 4.
Yes, you are right. It's a D. 1 plus 4 is the right. 1. Children's in conflict with the law, and 4. Children's in need of care and protection. Good. Appreciate. Second question. In this case, dash, the Honorable Supreme Court held that juvenility of a person in conflict with the law has to be reckoned from the date of the offense and not from the date and which cognizance was taken by the magistrate. A. Akshaya Singh versus State of Jharkhand and others. B. Pratap Singh versus State of Jharkhand and others. C. Ranbir Singh versus State of Jharkhand and others. D. Rathod Singh versus State of Jharkhand and others.
C. Ranbir Singh versus State of Jharkhand and another.
WRONG. Second option.
Pratap Singh versus State of Jharkhand and another.
That is the right answer. Pratap Singh versus State of Jharkhand and others is the right answer. The third question. NCPCR and the State Commission for the Protection of the Child Rights, SCPCR, was made responsible for the implementation and monitoring of the below mentioned acts. Number 1, Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children's Act 2015. 2, the Protection of Children and from the Sexual Offence Act of 2012. And 3, Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, CPCR Act 2005. 4, Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. And options: A. 1 plus 2 plus 3, B. 1 plus 2 plus 4, C. 2 plus 3 plus 4, D. 1 plus 3 plus 4.
B 1 plus 2 plus 4.
Yes, it's a B. 1 plus 2 plus 4. I made 3. Commission for the Protection of Child, CPCR Act 2005. I fabricated. Yes, fourth question. The special court shall ensure that the trial in case under the POCSO is not usually protracted, and shall take all the measures to conclude the trial as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a year from taking cognizance of the offence, without granting the unreasonable adjournment to the parties in the terms of the Section 35, Class 2, either Section 2, Subsection 2 of the Act was observed in the case of dash. A. Sampurna Behura versus Union of India, the Supreme Court of India. And B. In Re Contagion COVID-19 versus In Children Production Homes. C. Nipun Saxena and others versus Union of India. D. Salil Bali versus Union of India and another.
C. Nipun Saxena and others versus Union of India.
WRONG.
B, sir.
Option B, sir.
B. B for
In
boy.
Contagious COVID-19. WRONG.
Option D, sir.
Do you want to say Salil Bali versus Union of India and another? WRONG.
Yes, sir.
The right answer is Sampurna
A.
Behura
Sampurna
versus Union of
Behura
India. That is the
versus
Supreme Court
Union
of
of
India.
India.
A is the right answer for the fourth question. And fifth question. An act to consolidate and amend the law relating to the children alleged and found to be in conflict with the law and children in need of care and protection by catering to their basic needs through dash. What is the proper sequence or exact sequence? A. Proper care, protection, treatment, development, and social reintegration. B. Proper care, protection, development, treatment, and social reintegration. C. Proper care, development, protection, treatment, and social reintegration. D. Proper care, treatment, protection, development, and social reintegration.
B, sir.
Yes.
B.
BOX box or BOX Bombay?
BOX. BOX box.
BOX box, you are right. It is the proper care, protection, development, treatment, and social reintegration. Means B is the right answer. This is the right answer. It is the proper sequence. Now, sixth question. Which statement is true or correct among the four options? A. By adapting a child-friendly approach in the adjudication and disposal of the matters in the best interest of the children and for their rehabilitation through the process provided and institutions and bodies established hereunder and for the substance connected therewith are incidental thereto. B. By adopting a child-friendly approach in the adjudication and the disposal of the matters in the best interest of the children and for their rehabilitation through the process provided and institutions and bodies established hereunder for the matters connected therewith are incidental thereto. C. By adopting a child-friendly approach in the adjudication and the disposal of the matters in the best interest of the kind kids and for the rehabilitation through the process provided and institutions and frames established hereunder and for the matters connected therewith are incidental thereto. D. By adopting the child-friendly approach in the adjudication and disposal of the matters in the best interest of the children and for the rehabilitation through the process provided and institutions and bodies established hereunder for the matters connected therewith are incidental thereto. So here I have given, I will pull down to the down here. Here A, B, C, D is given. Which is the correct and appropriate among the four? A, B, C, D.
Sir, A is the proper answer, sir.
W, R, O,
D,
N,
sir.
G.
D for
D is
dog.
the right answer.
D for
Option
dog
D,
is
sir.
the appropriate answer.
D for Delhi is right answer, I think.
Yes, because in everywhere I made the committed A thing. A, here under the matters, here there I hosted the change to the substance. In the B, children for the host, the best interest of the, I said kids. And C, bodies, I changed to the frames. The correct and no change is D. Now, seventh question. The Constitution confers powers and imposes duties under Clause 3 of Article Dash, Clause E and F of Article Dash, Article Dash and Article Dash on the state to ensure that all the needs of children are met and that their basic human rights are fully protected. A. 39, 15, 45, 47, B. 15, 39, 47, 45, C. 15, 45, 39, 47, D. 15, 39, 45, 47.
D, sir. D for dog.
D for
15,
dog.
39, 45,
Yes.
45, 46.
You are right. I appreciate. Congratulations. And in the clapping also. Yes. Next, eighth question. The chemists are selling the drugs, including the Schedule H1 drugs, which are also falling in the category of the psychopathic substances under Schedule 1 of the NDPC Act 1985 to children, the drug inspector should take the action under Section 18, read with the Section 27 of the Drugs and Cosmetics Act against the erring chemist so as to deter the sale of such substances to minors was observed in the case of A. Subramaniam Swamy and others versus Raju through members, Juvenile Justice Board and others. B. Jiva Kumar Harijan versus State of Maharashtra and another. C. Akshay Chadda versus State of NCT of Delhi. D. Praveen Kumar Maurya versus State of UP.
Sir, A. Subramaniam Swamy and others, Raju through member Juvenile Justice Board.
WRONG.
D, sir. Praveen Kumar Maurya versus State of UP.
WRONG.
Sir, B.
Option
Jiva Kumar.
C,
Akshay
sir.
Chadda versus State of NCT of Delhi.
Option
C.
C,
Akshay
sir.
Chadda
Akshay
versus State of NCT of Delhi. C. CAT Cat Akshay Chadda versus State of NCT of Delhi. What is NCT?
National Capital Territory.
What is NCR? R. National Capital Region. Okay, now ninth question. The Honorable Supreme Court has delivered a dash of judgment on the subject juvenile justice and child rights, interpreting and molding the law of the land in favor of the children in conflict with the laws. A. Catinat. B. Catane. C. Catena. D. Catene.
A. Catinal.
WRONG.
C, sir.
C is the right answer. Catena. 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 That means, catena means a chain of connected ideas or passages or objects so arranged that member of the closely related to the preceding and following the members. That is called the catena. Catena. The catena of judgments about the juvenile justice. Okay, 10th question. Production of any of the documents referred to the Rule 12 3A1 to 3 of Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Rules 2007 will be sufficient proof to initiate an inquiry including the claim of the juvenility. An affidavit of the claimant in support of the claim of the juvenility filed for the first time in the appellate court shall not be sufficient to discharge the burden of proof for initiating an inquiry regarding the claim, in which case light is decided. A. Shabnam Hashmi versus Union of India and others. B. Abujar Hussain versus Ghulam Hussain versus State of West Bengal. C. Anjum Abdul Razak Miman versus State of Maharashtra through the STF and CBI in Bombay. And D. Salil Bali versus Union of India and others.
Sir,
B,
A.
sir.
Shaban Harshini.
Wrong. WRONG. If you say Shabnam
B.
Hashmi versus Union of India and others.
B, sir. B for ball.
Yes, it is right. Abuzar Hussain at that Ghulam Hussain was the State of West Bengal. That is the right answer for the 10th question. Now 11th question. There are dash amendments carried out in the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Children's Act 2015 by the Amendment Act of 2021. A. 27, B. 28, C. 29, D. 30.
A, sir. 27.
WRONG.
B. 28.
WRONG.
Sir, D. 30, sir.
You want to say Delhi 30?
Yes, sir.
WRONG.
29 amendments.
It is the 7th is the 29 amendment. There are 29 amendments carried out of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act of 2015 by the amendment of the 2021. So 2021 is the last amendment. But by that time, it is 29 has emerged. Okay, 12th question. The Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, here and after the JJ Act of 2015, was amended in the 2029. 1. The Amendment Act of 2021 included the multiple modification in some essential areas of the Child Welfare Committee, CWCS. Number 1, legislation including adoption. 2, categorization of offences. 3, designated courts. And 4, eligibility criteria for the members. Option A, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Option B, 2 plus 3 plus 4. Option C, 1 plus 3 plus 4. Option D, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Sir, C is the right answer. 1 plus 3 plus 4, sir.
Repeat.
Sir, C, 1 plus 3 plus 4.
WRONG.
Sir, 1 plus 2
2
plus...
plus 3 plus 4. B.
B is the right answer. 2 plus 3 plus 4, because I made something wrong there. Legislation including adoption. I wrote ADAPTION, but actually it is ADOPTON. That adoption and adapt is the difference is there. ADAPT, adapt, is used either when a change is made, make a something more suitable for particular use, or when adjudicating a new place, adjusting a new place, a new environment. Adapt, ADAPT. And ADOPT, adopt means దత్తత తీసుకోవడం అంటారు తెలుగులో. Adapt is used when the something is taken over, chosen, accepted, or approved by the choice. That is adoption. ADOPTOIN, adoption. In Hindu law you studied over there. Is it clear? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
13th question. What is the most important case ever decided by the US Supreme Court in juvenile law? A. Graham versus Florida. B. Bell versus New York. C. Gimbel versus New Jersey. D. Grace versus Miami.
Graham
Sir,
versus
B,
Florida.
Bell versus...
A. Graham versus Florida.
See, the feedback it is given something. Yeah, it is a Graham versus Florida established that the juvenile cannot be sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of the parole for any offense other than the murder. The 14th question, be ready. Which case is responsible for bringing so many changes in the juvenile justice system in India? A. Akshay Kumar Singh versus State of NCT of Delhi. B. State of Maharashtra versus Govind Gangaram Kendriya and others. And C. Mukesh and other versus State of NCT of Delhi and others. And D. Vinay Sharma versus State of NCT of Delhi and others.
C. Mukesh and another versus State of NCT of Delhi and others.
Suppose if I say right, how could you know it?
I have learned somewhere, sir. I mean, while doing bits.
Yes, it is a Mukesh and other versus State of NCT of Delhi and others. It is nothing but Nirbhaya case. Mukesh and others, another versus State of NCT of Delhi and other versus is nothing but Nirbhaya case. Okay, Nirbhaya means A. No fear. B. Without fear. C. Fearless. D. Fear not.
A, no fear.
No.
WRONG.
Without fear. B.
WRONG.
D, sir. Fear not.
WRONG. Fearless.
C. Fearless.
See, the simple question, but I made it complicated to you and you cannot guess it. Okay, now 16th question. In the case dash, the Honorable Supreme Court held that due to the conflicting viewpoints prevailing between the different communities in the country, it was not an appropriate time to declare a right to adopt and the right to be adopted as a fundamental right encompassed by the Article 21 of the Constitution. In which case law? A. Jeshi CO versus Union of India. B. Sheikh Mehboob Basha, son of Pathan versus State of Andhra Pradesh. C. Shabnam Hashmi versus Union of India and others. And D. Ross Singh versus, this is a petition under Section 56. Shoot.
Sir, see Shabnam Hasmi
You are
versus
right.
Union of
See, Shabnam Hashmi versus Union of India and others. It is decided in that way. Now, seventh question. I will give you 100 rupees as a Zawadi gift. Choose person A, part A, and their age is given in the part B. Match the following. Which one is the correct match among the following? Persons, criminals, age. Mukesh Singh, 31. B. Pawan Gupta, 29. C. Vinay Sharma, 23. And Akshay Thakur, 22. Correct matching under the ABCD. 100 rupees.
Sir, the Akshay Thakur 22.
Akshay Thakur, 22.
Yes, sir.
WRONG.
A. Mukesh Singh.
Mukesh
sir.
Singh
A.
22,
Mukesh
sir.
Singh.
WRONG.
C. Vinay Sharma, 23.
It is the Vinay Sharma 23 is the exact matching. Other are not matching. Because here, Mukesh Singh 29, Pawan Gupta 22, Vinay Sharma 23, Akshay Thakur 31. So correct is Vinay Sharma 23.
Vinay.
Yes. The testimony of the boyfriend of Nirbhaya, who was a alone eyewitness, proved crucial in sending 4 convicts, Mukesh Singh, Pawan Gupta, Vinay Sharma, and Akshay Singh, to the dash. What is the dash? A. Hanged to death. B. Death sentence. C. Scaffolds. D. Gallows.
B. Death sentence.
WRONG.
D. Gallows.
D. Gallows is the right answer. Do you know what is meant by gallows? Here I have shown. This is the scaffold. Masons, they stand on the scaffold and they do the plastering to the wall. That is called scaffold. 30 కట్టడం అంటాడు తెలుగులో. And gallows, here I have given gallows, where a person could be taken to be hanged to death. That is called, the platform is called gallows. GALLOWS, gallows. Is it clear? Say yes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
Okay, now, Nirbhaya boyfriend name is A. Avanindra, B. Avaninder, C. Avanindra, D. Apanindra.
Option B, sir.
Avanindra.
Option
C. C.
C is the right answer. It is Avanindra. Avanindra. And the boyfriend. 20th question. The Act offered the provision to allow the trials of the juveniles in the age group of the 16 to 18 as an adult who are found to be the conflict with the laws, especially A. Monstrous crimes, B. Atrocious crimes, Z. Heinous crimes, D. Dastardly crimes.
C. Heinous crimes.
C. Heinous crimes.
You are right. It is the heinous crime. C is the right answer. Now, the word juvenile, how many times appeared in the JJ Act 2015?
A. 30 times.
How many times the juvenile appeared in the JJ Act of 2015?
A. 30 times.
Yes. Let us check it whether you are right or wrong. See, this is the Juvenile Justice Act. And here I will type, what is that word? Juvenile. Is it not? Is it not?
Sir.
30 times. I did not give the Zawadi, otherwise it will go to the Zawadi to you. Okay, but I will give you one place, Zawadi. I can keep it. Yes. Now you tell me, How many times the word children insert in the JJ Care and Protection Act 2015? 100 rupees. A. 202, B. 203, C. 204, D. 205.
D 205.
205.
B 203.
Because the first man comes and first served over there. Now let us check it. How many times it is used? Children. CHILDREN. 203 times. But you are
I am
late.
correct, sir.
You are late.
I said.
First come, first served basis. Always. 203 is the right. Okay, I will give one more chance to you. Match the following. Chapter 4, procedures in relation to children in conflict with law. 2. Chapter 5, rehabilitation of the social integration. Chapter 6, procedures in relation to the children in need of care and protection. And chapter 7, child welfare committee. Options: A. 1 plus 2, B. 2 plus 3, C. 3 plus 4, D. 2 plus 4. Mismatch.
D 2 plus 4. D 2 plus 4.
You are right. It is a 2 plus 4 is the right mismatch. Because chapter 4, procedures in relation to the children in conflict with the laws. And chapter 5, child welfare committee. Chapter 6, procedures in relation to the children in need of care and protection. And chapter 7, rehabilitation and social reintegration. Now, section 40, subsection 3, explanation. For the purpose of this section, restoration and protection of a child means restoration to parent, A. 2. Adoptive parent. 3. Foster parent. 4. Fit parent. Options: A. 1 plus 2 plus 3, B. 1 plus 3 plus 4, C. 2 plus 3 plus 4, D. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
A 1 plus 2 plus 3.
D 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, sir.
D. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Today, you have done at least 2 or 3 very critical questions that you shooted in a better manner. Even though you don't know the answer, doesn't matter. Because I told you the techniques. Use the logic, use the technique, use the formula and shoot. Yes, 25th question. The Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of the Children's Act 2015, number dash of the 2016, there and other act also mentioned. What is the number? Supplementary question.
Act number 2.
Act number 2. Now, which is included over there in the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act? Number 1, the Indian Penal Code. Number 2, Criminal Procedure Code. Number 3, the Mental Health Act. Number 4, Indian Evidence Act. Options: A. 1 plus 2 plus 3, B. 1 plus 2 plus 4, C. 1 plus 3 plus 4, D. 2 plus 3 plus 4.
B 1 plus 2 plus 4.
D.
B 1 plus 2 plus 4. B for boy.
WRONG.
1 plus 2 plus 3, sir.
1 plus 2 plus 3 is the right answer. Because there is no Indian Evidence Act mentioned anywhere. Okay, now 26th Juvenile Justice Board given in the chapter JJ Act. A. Chapter 2, B. Chapter 3, C. Chapter 4, and D. Chapter 5.
B chapter 3. B chapter 3.
3 is right answer. Juvenile Justice Board is given in the chapter 3. And Parliament introduced a passed the Juveniles Care and the Protection of Children's Act 2015 to replace the Juvenile Delinquency Law and Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children's Act. A. 2000, B. 2002, C. 2003, D. 2004.
B 2002.
A 2000.
A is the right
A.
answer. Srinivas is the right. 2000 is replaced. And the crime of forgery, cheating, defamation, public nuisance, etc. fall in the category of dash crimes. A. Cognizable B. Non-bailable. C. Non-cognizable. D. Bailable.
C. Non-cognizable.
C.
Non-cognizable.
Non-cognizable is the right answer. And 29th question. Juveniles are not charged with dash, but rather with delinquencies. They are not found guilty, but rather adjudicated delinquent. They are not sent to the prison, but to a training school or reformatory school or borstal schools. A. Offenses. B. Faults. Z. Penalties. D. Crimes.
A. Offenses.
Repeat.
D.
Offenses.
Crimes. Crimes, sir. D.
Crimes.
Crimes.
D is the right answer. Today, our Srinivas has shooted very right something, and today I made only the 29th questions under the Juvenile Justice Act, and the next topic that we are going to study is TT. Timetable, where it's gone, timetable, yes, it is here. Yes, today is the 30th, and next is 31st March, and the Limitation Act of 1963. I believe this limitation is for both AP and TS. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, be ready for the Limitation Act. Today, my 100 rupees is safe. First come, first served. That is the law. And tomorrow that we see the Limitation Act of 1963, even one person also present, doesn't matter. I think 100% are present to me. If 1% also get benefited my lectures, I feel that my mission is fulfilled. So that is my intention. And with this, I would like to wind up today because I have to go for the fasting now, breaking the fasting. Yes, I will close. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
भारत भाग्य विधाता
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा
द्राविड उत्कल बंगा
विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा
उच्छल जलधि तरंग
तव शुभ नाम जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा
जन गण मंगल नायक जय हे
भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। जय हिंद।
ख्वाब तो सिर्फ कश्मीर की आज़ादी के आते हैं,